welcome back to Too Much For You. Today we're going to be breaking each other's back. So I have 3 friends here. You know one of them. Lane, my friend Chazara, and my friend Amelia. I'll introduce them. Okay, so this is Amelia, and then this is Chazara, and you know Lane. We're going to be breaking her back.
Okay.
Okay.
Next customer.
Assistant gonna come help you. Okay.
Ready?
Yes, let me help you.
This is calm. You're supposed to be calm. This is
Mom, I need to get your legs, not your butt crack. No, I don't want to touch your private part.
We got to massage your arms too. This is a free add-on.
Wait, ma'am, calm down. This is the arm stretch.
I will also be doing your leg stretch.
Okay, ma'am. Stay.
No, ma'am, let me hold her. You fix the place. You fix the workspace.
Yes, cause she's cuckoo.
Let me flip her on her back. You go on your back.
Guys, can you give me my money back, please?
No refunds. We don't do refunds here.
You're rubbing my hair!
Come back here.
That's here. We do no refunds here.
Come back here.
We don't do refunds.
Here, give her it.
We don't do refunds. We don't do refunds here.
Here, let me give you head massage and face.
We don't do refunds. You stay here and we will hurt you. Massage you. We will massage you until you're dead.
Let me get you some emotional support. Here, emotional support.
If you're not alive tomorrow, that's good. That means it's working.
Yep.
If you're not alive, that means it's working. No, we do not use emotional support as hot. We use it as emotional support. We use it to massage.
Okay, ma'am. Now I'm going to use this on your head.
Okay, now we have free desserts. You can eat this plastic thing only if you let me chop your head off. Okay. Do you like? Here's my little tool. His name is Squidward. Head massage.
Now I need to use the
Help
boo-boo.
me!
I need to use the boo-boo-boo. Or whatever this is called.
This is a home experiment.
Here, let me put calming music on. Alexa.
It's unplugged, you dingus.
You're a dinger.
Let me know if you need anything.